Hello again. We are looking at problem number 1 found in your Geometry Part 1 textbook. This is lesson 2-6, proving angles congruent. Found on page 121 of your textbook is problem number 1. This is talking about using the vertical angle theorem. What the vertical angle theorem very simply says is that angles that are across the vertex from each other are always going to be equal, providing you have two lines that are crossing each other to make that point. Now, if you look at the picture at the right, you see two lines that are crossing. That means the two vertical angles here and here are going to be equal to each other. So you can see that right here they set up the equation 2x plus 21 is equal to 4x because vertical angles are congruent. The rest is just algebra. I'm going to bring this 2x over to this side by subtracting it, and that's how I end up with 2x equals 21. If I then divide both sides by this 2 here so that I can get x by itself, I end up with 21 over 2. So if this were a real standardized question, of course, you would have to plug in, 21 over 2, and of course, dot in the correct things. Okay. Now let's look at the got it. This, which is 3x, and this, which is 2x plus 40. Again, those are across from each other, so they're considered vertical angles. So vertical angles, that means I'm simply going to set those equal to each other. 3x equals 2x plus 40. Of course, subtract the 2x over, and I'm going to end up that x equals 40. Okay. So this is a very simple, common idea, but it is going to be used a lot in geometry. So even though it's simple, don't underestimate the ability to use this quite often in the things that you're going to be doing. Best of luck.